Hey everyone, welcome back to Everyday English Podcast. I'm Jay.
And I'm Mia. So happy you're here today.
How's it going, Mia?
Good. A little nervous though, honestly.
Why's that?
Because today's topic hits close to home. Meeting new coworkers.
Oh, that's a real one. First day jitters, am I right?
Exactly. My hands still get sweaty thinking about my first day anywhere new.
Same, honestly. New workplace, new faces, new everything.
But we can make it easier today. Quick thing first, everyone.
Yes. If you like the show, hit that like button.
And subscribe. New episodes every Monday, Wednesday, Friday.
And if you're starting a new job soon, this one's for you.
Definitely. Okay, Jay, let's do it.
So, meeting new coworkers. Big topic today.
It really is. From your first day to networking events.
Right. We'll cover introductions, small talk, and even follow-ups.
I love this stuff. Let's start from the very beginning.
The first day. The scariest part.
Okay, day one. You walk in. What do you say?
Keep it simple. Hi, I'm Jay. I just started in the design team.
Short and clear. I like that.
Right, you don't need a whole speech. Just name and role.
What if someone introduces themselves first?
Then you say something like, "Nice to meet you. I'm Mia."
Nice to meet you. Classic, but it always works.
It really does. And a little smile goes a long way, too.
True. First impressions matter so much.
They do. People remember how you made them feel, not just what you said.
That's a good way to think about it.
So, hi, I'm, and nice to meet you. Two simple phrases.
Perfect starting point for anyone nervous about day one.
Okay, next. You're past the introduction, now what?
Small talk, right? The scary part for me.
It's easier than it feels. Simple questions work best.
Like what?
Like, how's everything going? Or, how was your weekend?
Oh, I love how was your weekend. Perfect for Monday mornings.
Exactly. It's warm, it's easy, and everyone has an answer.
What if I don't know what to say back, though?
You can just say, "Pretty good, thanks. How about you?"
Pretty good, thanks. Simple and safe.
Right. You don't need a deep story. Just keep it light and friendly.
That takes some pressure off, honestly.
It should. Small talk isn't a test. It's just being friendly.
I like that reframe. So, how's everything going? And how was your weekend?
Perfect openers for any Monday.
Okay, eventually someone asks what you do. How do you explain it?
Keep it short. I work in marketing at a small company.
Short and clear again. I see the pattern now.
Exactly. Nobody wants your whole job description.
What if they ask more? Like, what does that involve?
Then you can add one more sentence. Like, I mostly work on social media campaigns.
Oh, that's a nice structure. Job first, then one detail if they ask.
Exactly. 2 sentences maximum, usually.
I always ramble when people ask about my job.
Everyone does at first. This structure helps a lot, though.
I'm definitely stealing this. I work in, and I mostly.
Perfect. Simple, and it actually sounds confident. Quick break, everyone.
If you're enjoying this episode, a like really helps us out.
It means a lot. Thank you.
And tell us, what's your job? We're curious.
Okay, let's keep going.
Okay, let's talk networking events. Even scarier for me.
I know. A room full of strangers.
Exactly. How do you even start a conversation there?
Easy opener. What brings you to this event today?
Oh, that's smart. It's about them, not you.
Right. People love talking about themselves. It takes the pressure off you.
So I just ask and then listen?
Basically, yes. Ask, listen, then share a little about yourself too.
What if there's a quiet moment, though?
You can ask, have you been to this event before?
Have you been to this event before? Nice backup question.
Always good to have a few of those ready.
So, what brings you here and have you been before? Solid openers.
Perfect for any networking room. Okay, you had a great conversation. Now what?
You exchange contact info, right?
Exactly. You can say, are you on LinkedIn? I'd love to connect.
Are you on LinkedIn? I love that. It's so normal now.
It really is. Way more common than exchanging business cards these days.
What if they don't have LinkedIn, though?
Then you just swap emails. Could I get your email?
Could I get your email? Good backup.
Right. Either way, you want some way to follow up later.
So, are you on LinkedIn? And could I get your email?
Both perfect for staying in touch after the event.
Okay, the event's over. Do you actually message people after?
You should. It makes a huge difference.
What do you even say, though?
Simple. It was great meeting you. Let's stay in touch.
It was great meeting you. Short and warm.
Exactly. You don't need anything fancy.
What if I want to actually meet up again?
You could add, would you be free for coffee sometime?
Would you be free for coffee? I like that. It's low pressure.
Right. Coffee feels casual, not like a big commitment.
So, it was great meeting you. And would you be free for coffee?
Perfect follow-up messages. Okay, sometimes people ask about your company too, not just your job.
Right. Like, what does your company do?
Exactly. You can say, we help small businesses with their marketing.
We help. Oh, I like that phrasing. Feels like a team effort.
It does, and it sounds confident without bragging.
What if the company's really complicated to explain?
Simplify it. One sentence, the core idea. Details later if they're curious.
We help, or we build, or we focus on. Good starting phrases.
Exactly. Keep the intro simple, then expand if they ask more.
This whole episode is basically keep it short, then expand.
That's honestly the secret to most workplace talk.
Okay, before we wrap up, any mistakes to avoid?
A few. First, don't talk about politics or personal issues too early.
Good point. Keep it safe. Weather, weekend, hobbies.
Exactly. Also, don't complain about work to someone you just met.
Oh, that's important. Nobody wants that on day one.
Right. Stay positive, especially with new people.
What about forgetting names? That happens to me constantly.
Totally normal. You can just say, sorry, could you remind me of your name?
Sorry, could you remind me of your name? That's so much better than pretending.
Exactly. People appreciate honesty way more than you'd think.
Good to know. So stay positive, and it's okay to ask again.
2 simple rules that go a long way. Let's do a role play. It's your first day. I'm a coworker at the coffee machine.
Okay. Hi, I'm Mia. I just started on the design team.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Jay. I work in marketing.
Nice to meet you too. How's everything going here?
Pretty good, thanks. How was your weekend, by the way?
It was relaxing. Thanks for asking. How about yours?
Good. Just took it easy. So, what does your role involve exactly?
I mostly work on the visual side of our projects.
That sounds great. Are you on LinkedIn? I'd love to connect.
Yes, definitely. Here's my info. It was great meeting you.
You too. Let's grab coffee sometime this week. And scene.
See? That wasn't so scary.
Not scary at all. Just a few simple phrases.
Okay, let's recap today's favorites.
Good call. We covered a lot of ground.
First, introductions. Hi, I'm... Nice to meet you.
Small talk. How's everything going? How was your weekend?
Talking about your job. I work in. I mostly.
Networking event. What brings you here? Have you been before?
Contact info. Are you on LinkedIn? Could I get your email?
Following up. It was great meeting you. Would you be free for coffee?
Talking about your company. We help. We focus on.
And mistakes to avoid. Stay positive, and it's okay to ask again.
So many phrases. I feel ready for any new workplace now.
Same. Try one at your next event or first day. So, Mia, feeling less nervous about new workplaces now?
Actually, yes. This really helped.
That's the goal. Okay, everyone. Question for you.
Yes. Tell us in the comments. What's your go-to small talk question?
And try our phrases. Nice to meet you. Let's stay in touch.
We love reading your answers.
If this helped, give it a like and subscribe.
And share it with a friend starting a new job soon.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Go make some new connections. See you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.